Good morning, everyone. So I don't know much to do today. I just have to be awake to get my groceries. And that's it really. That's all the plans for today. I didn't have much of a good sleep last night. I ended up listening to some music like Dearly Departed just to help me get to sleep, but yeah, I was pretty tired as you can see. So, oh my god, look at that little tired face. So I was brushing my hair, just trying to get through the morning. Here's me getting the groceries that were delivered. I was super happy that I was able to get free delivery, but they forgot my scones. I ended up having a nap after I put away all my groceries. I was just so tired that I hadn't had any sleep, so yeah. I'm very comfy though. I'm putting up my hair, I'm getting ready to start cooking. I think this was about like 6 p.m. that I wanted to start cooking. For some reason I started with my cheesecake first, so we're making black cherry cheesecake. Amazing transition, good job Jake. So the Marie biscuits, we're gonna process them in this little food processor thingy. So the base is made just with like cinnamon, Marie biscuits, and 90 grams of butter, and firmly press that down. Put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And we're just making the filling. So we've got 60 grams of sour cream, 90 grams of caster sugar, and 2 eggs. And then we're gonna whip all of that up. I just used a spoon to whip it up. I got a bit lazy and I didn't want to make more mess, so I didn't use the beater. And then once that is all smooth, we're gonna pop that into the tray. Look at this, beautiful. Look how smooth that is. As I see a chunk fall out of it. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. I just saw a chunk. I swear I thought I just saw a chunk. Don't worry about it, okay? It's fine. Why is this clip so long? Yeah, we get it. You pour it into the tin. Okay. Alright. Now, this was super heavy already. But we're about to put the cherries in. I tried to open it with one hand. It didn't work, as you can see. And I was kind of embarrassed that I couldn't open it with one hand. So here it is. I have to hold it and then open it with the one hand. There we go. Pop the cherries in. I had mostly already drained them, but as you can see, there was still some liquid in there. My bad. I'm sorry. Look at those juicy ass cherries. Look at them. Beautiful. Yum. Shake it up. So we've already preheated the oven to 160 degrees. Popping that in now. Yay, she's so pretty. And now we're making curried sausages and mash. So we've got the sausages on, just browning them, and then we've cut up our onions. Yep, onions, good job Jade. And then we skipped forward, we've browned the onions, we've started cooking the potatoes, checking in on the cheesecake. She looks pretty. I probably should have taken it out here, but I didn't. Food is almost ready, and the mash is done. And now everything is done. Watching Shrek because nostalgia and such a classic. It still makes me laugh. And now we're gonna go back to our cheesecake and open it up from the spring tin thingy. Look at those layers, so beautiful. And cutting that piece up, my mother had come over to have a look because I was cutting her piece first. Look at that slice. Yes, she was very excited for it. She's so cute. Oh my god. And then I grabbed my slice as well, and I served it with just like a dollop of thick cream. It was a pretty big slice, it was hard to get down. And after that, I wanted a food nap. I was like gonna go into coma, into a coma, because I just had been standing in the kitchen for so long. So, yeah, I was ready to die, ready to have a good sleep. So that was a really good day. And then I had a good sleep, woke up the next day, did my makeup, and I went and got the jab. So I treated myself to some bread top since I got my first dose of the vaccine. It was really good. Honestly, I was so nervous for nothing. But anyways, I had a really good day. Thank you for watching. This was such a weird voiceover. But yeah, thanks. Bye guys.